I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so violent about that place. Even your emotions had an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care,
Te abraçar loucamente, olhar dentro dos teus olhos e dizer: não ligo sem